Bear one's stamp. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, bear one's stamp. This phrase is a fascinating part of the English language, often used in both written and spoken contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means to bear one's stamp. Bear one's stamp is an idiomatic expression in English. To bear, in this context, means to carry or to have something. A stamp refers to a distinctive mark or impression. Thus, when something bears a person's stamp, it carries that person's distinctive mark or characteristics. It implies that the person has had a significant influence on the thing, whether it be a physical object, a decision, a piece of art, or even an idea. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. A work of art. This painting really bears the artist's stamp. You can tell it's hers from the unique color palette she uses. 2. A decision or policy. The new education policy bears the stamp of the new minister, especially in its approach to technology in classrooms. 3. Personal style. His writing bears his stamp. It's always concise and to the point. These examples show how this phrase can be used in different contexts to indicate someone's influence or characteristics. When using the phrase, bear one's stamp, it's important to associate it with a characteristic or quality that is unique to a person. The phrase is often used to give credit to someone's influence, highlight unique characteristics, describe the source of a certain style or approach. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, bear one's stamp, in your English conversations and writings. It's a great way to acknowledge someone's influence or unique characteristics in various aspects of life. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using English idioms like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.